This
We'll
conference
start.
will now be recorded.
So only few topics are left. Maybe five more classes will try to be complete. Okay, maybe this Saturday, Sunday, Monday class is there. Next week also we will plan for the classes and
Yeah,
we'll
sir,
try to be
because
finished.
yeah, next week we have holiday, so
Okay, okay, okay. So next week is the holidays. Okay, okay, fine.
yes, sir, like July 4th is a holiday and it's like a
Okay,
long weekend for us.
okay, 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 okay. Fine, fine, fine. So I will plan fourth and fifth. Almost I'll be finished my topics.
Okay, sir.
Fourth and fifth, yeah.
Thank you.
So a few more topics we have to be discuss today's class. This is also part of NLP, okay, which they not mention in your curriculums. So we
So,
have noise removal, lexicon normalization, limitization, streamings, object standardizations, synthetical parsing, dependency grammars, part of speech. Okay, name entity we already I have discussed. Okay, so again we have to be work out. Fine. Yeah.
okay, sir.
So we can able to see my screen implies. Fine. Yeah.
Yes, it's
Oh,
visible.
it's visible. Is correct. Yeah. So now we will see what is noise removal. I'm not using any library right now here because we are not available the like what I'm saying with the library here. So without library, we want to be work out. When
Okay.
you talk about the noise removal, this is also part of NLPs. So why we are talking about noise removal? Mainly, we want to clean unwanted or irrelevant part of the text. Okay, so the text data which we don't want to add in the meanings. It's clear. So what we are talking about noise removal, we want to clean unwanted or irrelevant part of the text of a data that don't want to be added in the meanings. For example, when I say like these are all like punctuation mark, okay, like exclamatory symbol, comma, question mark. Okay, these are the noise. So when I
Okay.
say like we have some special characters, at symbol, hash symbol, maybe any special characters. Okay. So when I say like we have few HTML tags. Okay, like when I say we have a paragraph tag, div tags. Okay, and some extra space. I'm talking about some extra space or formatting issues. Okay, so I'm just making some formatting issues.
Uh, sir,
So yeah,
sorry,
yes,
sir, I have a question.
no,
Sir, you
yes,
said
yes.
that this is for the text. So, is the noise removal process applicable for the image processing also?
Yes, yes. That is only I'm talking about. The image processing also is applicable for the noise removals.
Okay.
It's clear?
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah, thank you.
So, so here I'm just making these other things which noise can be happens. Okay. So now what we want to do it here, we want to use this noise removal concept to first we have to be clean the unwanted text data which we don't want to be add in the meanings. It's clear. So normally, what purpose we have to be used? Maybe we have which is really helpful for the algorithms because the algorithm should be focused only the meaningful word instead of jinx. It's clear. So that purpose we want to use this noise removal concepts. Apart from that, I want to make my accuracy has to be improved. We want to improve our accuracies. like our sentiment analysis, chart books, or search engines. It's clear. So that
Mm.
purpose also we have to be use noise removal concepts. Apart from that, uh, we are talking about when I say your text. So I want to make my text should be clean and consistent for analysis purpose. Okay. So that purpose also we are talking about noise removals. It's clear. So normally when I say like example our Zoom meetings, is correct. Now our Zoom meeting we are using what purpose for online class, some office meeting, a few family video calls. But the problem is what here our backgrounds sound like typing something, some typing sounds, some traffic sounds, okay, some other barking sounds, dog barkings, okay. So all this make should be hard to be hear the speakers. So we are have to be use here noise removal concept so that the Zoom automatically filter out those noise so only the person can be voice is here. So we are using for noise removal concepts. Okay. So that is the main purpose why we want to make our online communication on clear and smooth. So we have to be use noise removal concepts. Apart from that, we are talking about our WhatsApps. Okay. In WhatsApp also, we have some problem like our voice message and calls. So normally, WhatsApp we are using for what purpose? For voice message and call. Here also we are facing a few problem like street noise. So you're getting here also like wind can make hard to understand. So here also we have to use noise removal concept so that the WhatsApp can be apply no noise. I'm calling it the WhatsApp also can be applied this noise supervision so that the message sound should be clear. It's clear. So we have plenty of examples. You can use for the image also. It can be used. Text also it can be used. But here I'm just talking about only for the text purpose. Clear. So now uh, we will see how to write a code here. The very common code we want to be talk about here. So the code is very simple code. So normally we have to be used. Now the simple code, I'm not using uh, any library concepts. So we are talking about basic concepts without using libraries. So just we have to be used here. The concept should be import regular expression. I'm just written here import regular expressions. Now this is the text, and now in this text I'm just writing hello, and I'm just writing few explanatory symbols. I'm just writing here welcome at symbol two. I'm using few HTML syntax NLP, and I have to be close this something I have written here. I'm using class and some dots. Okay, and just I will take one bracket also if you want. We can be take some bracket also, some close brackets. So this is the text. So what we want to use, normally we are using without library, we are using regular expression because in company they are using their own library tools,
Library.
every
Okay.
companies, yes. But right now
Yes.
we don't have any open lab tools, we don't have. So that is the reason I'm just using a regular expression concepts.
Got
Now
it.
we have a few pattern by here. Okay, because we have few pattern inbuilt pattern we have to use those inbuilt pattern to remove all these things. We want to remove the special characters, HTML tag, and some extra spaces. So I just declare one variable, clean underscore text. Okay, so RE, this is the module name, and substitute is the methods. To be start map pattern, so that is the main reason I'm written regular expressions, single quotes, and I can be set dot should be indicate one or more, and I'm just using here asterisk question mark. Okay, so asterisk question mark, I have to be close this patterns and put one comma and text. Okay, so this is my text and my pattern. It should remove all the HTML tags. This is the predefined pattern we have. Now this pattern, it will be check the given this sequence of characters wherever we apply the HTML tags, that it should be clean first. Okay, this is the patterns. And now I want to be remove the special characters. I want to remove the extra space. Okay, so again, what I'm doing, I'm just using one more same variable, clean that text. Okay, all together, I'm not written here. I'm just writing one by one. We can write all together also. So I'm just writing again the same thing, regular expression, and I'm just writing here substitute, substrings. Okay, this is the substring is the methods. So again, I'm using the regular expressions, and I have to make start with small a to z, capital A to z, and 0 to 9, and special characters. Okay, so this is not correct. Yeah, we are talking about the special. Okay, so what I want to be conclude here, just we want to remove all the special character except this. Okay, the special characters except this. Now I need my text should be include A to Z, lowercase, uppercase, and the special characters. Okay, space, S is nothing but space only. Now what I want to do here, I want to be use my text. I think now already I clean my text, so just I will copy here. So my updated text. Now what we are doing here, including this A to Z, lowercase, uppercase digits, and the space, including whatever the special characters we have, these are like special characters. This we want to be clean first, so that we have taken the first steps. Again, I'm using a clean text, ru dot, same concept I'm using here, substitutes. Again, I'm using r single quote slash s. Okay, the slash s plus, because the pattern is very important. Every company they are using their own pattern here. So I'm just removing the like extra space. Okay, that the reason I've written this pattern slash s. This clip previously I'm not remove. We can be removed, and previously I'm just removing only the special characters. So I'm just removing all extra space. So I'm just writing here, clean that text. Yes. So that's all. We are not doing any other things. So when I want to be print, so this is my original text, and I just go and print. This is my clean text. Okay, I'm just writing a clean underscore text only. So I've written very basic and common example here. We'll see if I did any mistakes in my pattern, it will not be box. So finally, you'll see that yes, I think finally, okay, we got the output here. I'm not given any comma equals. Let's take. So finally, what we did, we clean entirely here. I got message, hello, welcome to NLP uh, B classes. We remove all the noise removal concept. Yes, is correct. So
Uh,
I'll
so,
yes,
sorry, sir. Sir,
yes,
since we have added the HTML tags, so
yes.
it only removed the the arrow
The
marks and it
class.
kept the
Yes.
alphabetical thing. So is it the expected behavior, or like should it remove the complete HTML tags?
You can remove complete HTML tags. It should be removed. Maybe uh, that pattern also we can be used here. I'm just removing because now when I try to be used here, it's not removing. It's
Yes.
yeah,
Uh,
it's taking as a
Definitely.
B on this.
Yeah.
Okay, NLP B classes.
Okay.
Okay, so it will be removed. Okay,
Okay.
100% it will be removed, but it's not removing because maybe uh, this line is considered to remove the HTML tags. That's fine. So
Okay, sir.
yeah, fine. Are you clear? Maybe you understand us, correct? Yeah, fine.
Yes, sir.
So
Got
I'm
it.
just taking one examples. Okay, so I'm not making more examples for this. Yeah, you have any question, Ipna? Yeah,
No, sir. I'm good.
you got it. Okay. So this is one example. Okay, so this is a very common basic concept here. Okay, if we are working in NLP concepts and we have to do all these things, correct? Yeah. So next concept is what uh, we are talking about the lexicon normalization parts. Okay. So what is lexicon normalization means what? We are converting informal or misplaced or shortcut word into the proper dictionaries. Got it? Normally, lexicon normalization means what? So, whatever the shortcut word that we are making to the proper dictionary forms. Okay, for example, nowadays most of the students what they are doing, they will do like this. You okay? For examples, now this you will be checked from the dictionary, it will be print like this. Yes, so many students they will write like gr8. Okay, that is nothing but when I check in the dictionary it should be print as a grade. Normally we'll write in the shortcut like between maybe in a chart boots whatever is there. So btw is nothing but by the ways. Okay, so the lexinal normalization normally meaning is what? It's converting the informal or misspelled. Okay, it's converting the informal or misspelled. So that is only I told you the shortcut word in the proper dictionary form. So that is the role of lexion normalizations. Correct. So what is the main purpose? Okay, many companies are using. Every company they are using this lexicon normalizations. So what is the main purpose? Very important. We want to improve the accuracy purpose. Okay, to improve the accuracy, the same task like sentiment analysis, translation, and searches. Okay, that is also can be said that is the first purpose. I want to make my text standardized so that the computer can be understand is better. So that is the purpose also we have to use lexicon normalization. Another purpose when I say we want to ensure the different form of the same word as a treated as a one, we can be use this lexicon normalizations. Okay, normally we are using in Twitters or social media. Okay, so normally I'm just giving example here. Normally Twitters and social media, what we will do, we will write like this: grade 8. Okay, so grade 8 will be converted as a, okay, great. So like that. So you will be converted as a you based on this lexicon normalization. So here also I'm not using library, but few things I will use the library, how it will be work. So this program also I'm doing manually how it will be work. There is a no library concept right now I'm having here. Is there, but that officially library I can't use. That is the main reason. I'm just writing my own code, yes. Okay. So that is the things, the Twitter and social media we are using grade 8. So now this lexicon normalization, it will be convert like grade, you means you. So the main purpose, we want to make our sentiment analysis and the trend detection should be more accurate. So that is the main reason this lexicon normalization. Normally when you say on Google, your search engine, your chart boards. So what purpose we are using here? To search the query and the Google Assistants. So normally what we will do, example, we will write pics. So we don't know what is pics. Now this lexical normalization, it will be convert the formal word as a pictures. Maybe we'll write info. This info will be convert as a informations. So the main purpose, we want to make ensure the user get correct result even if they type shortcut. Okay, the user get the uh, correct result even if they type shortcut. So that is the main reason we are talking about the use of lexicon normalization. If I say like customer, we'll take one more example. When I say like customer support boots, like Amazon, Microsoft Copilot. So normally, what purpose we are using customer support boards means for chat system where the customer type the informal text. Every customers they have to be type the informal text. Informal text means what in the chat board. For example, I'm writing B2W ILUV something your product something I have written. That's correct. So now, what is the help of chatbots here? The understand the customer intent clearly. Okay, because the main reason now this lexicon normalization, it will be convert like this. The way it will be convert like this. The way it will be convert. I love your uh, products. It's clear. So between I love your product. So what is the main purpose? It help to boards to understand the customer's intent clearly. That is the main reason we are using this lexicon normalizations. Correct. So here also I'm doing manually here because few library we have, we can be use the that open source library, but here also I'm just doing manually only because right now I can't use the library because open library we have, but every open library will not be work. Yes, correct. So here also I'm using manually how it will be work. So we can take any text. I just assigning that text. If you want, we can also we can be right. So this is my normal text. I'm just writing you are in the shortcut. Great and BTW. Okay, so ILUV something I have written. It's correct. Now what I'm doing manually, I have create one dictionary for the normalization purpose. It's clear. So I want to create one dictionary for the normalization purpose. So I just declare lexicon here, and this is my dictionaries. In my dictionary, because I'm not having any pre-trained model to be checked, okay, based on that library. So normally we want to use the pre-trained model. So I'm not using any pre-trained model here. I'm just writing manually here. U means this will be considered as a U. This is the key and this is the values. Same thing I'm using R, and but company they are using their own what I'm saying, they're using their own only here tool. I'm using R means this, and I'm just writing grade 8. This is the key, and this is the values. So I'm just writing grade. Okay, we have to put one commas. Is correct. So yeah. So again, I have to be right between something I have written, and here also I supposed to write uh, by the ways. Okay, so I'll put one commas, and here also I have to write this, and I'm just writing something. This is the key, and this is the values. So when you see the companies, they're using own tool. I will show you later, but I can't show in this Google Meet. That is officially. That is the reason I unable to share my screen. That is the main reason I have written manually these parts. Okay.
Okay,
So
sir.
now, yeah, yes. Now, what I'm doing here, these are the key, these are the values. So I'm just using here normalized equal. I'll tell you what exactly this. I want to be use the method join method to concatenate purpose. Without join method also we can be used. So I'm just writing this dictionary object name lexicon. I'm using one method get word, and I'm using word comma word. This is the variable. I'm just written. I will write this variable in the for word in text dot splits. Okay. So what do you mean by this line? So whatever the text will be there, first we want to be split. U, T, grade, between, all these things we want to be split. Then you have to be assigned to these variables. Now lexicon is object for this dictionary, get is the method. Now this is the word. Now what we want to do, we want to see this word if it is present in your dictionary means if the condition true, it assigned to these variables. Same thing, we have to travel the next word, and we want to be checked if it is present, it can be assigned to this variable. So that is the main reason I'm written join. Join is nothing but just we want to be add the text test. Okay. So like that, we can be do complete this process years, and finally we want to be print. This is my original text. What we have given here. This is my original text. Okay, what we have. Now I want to be print my normalize. So what we have got it here. So this is my normalize part. So I'm just using normalize. Okay. So this is I have taken. I will show you the real time, but I will take the record the session. Okay, I will show you so that we'll get to know how the real time it will be works. So just this is my original, and this is my normalize. I think I'm not did properly here. Let's I'll be check. Yeah, this is the mistakes. This should be the R. Now let's I'll execute. So I got it here. This is my normalized formal sentence. You are great, and by the way, I love this NLP products. Is correct. So this is very common example which I have given without using any libraries. Correct. So you got it. Any questions? Yes. Any question is there? Are you clear? Empuna here. Any
Yes,
questions?
sir. No
You
questions.
okay? Fine, fine. That's correct.
Yeah.
So now offline means I can show you all these things, okay? Because Google Meet, a few things I can't able to share. That is official things. So that is the main reason I unable to show you people like the few tool how it's working. It's clear? Yeah, fine.
Yes, sir.
Next, we have the limmatization parts. Okay, everything is a part of NLP, all basic concepts. There's no complex things here. Everything is the basic concept. Is correct. So here the limmatization means what? This is the process which reducing the word base or dictionary forms. Is correct. This limmatization is what? It's a process of reducing the word to base or dictionary forms. This is the definition of a limmatization. So when I say example, uh, when I say here running, here we will use libraries. The specie library, what we did in the previous class, here we will use the free libraries which is available. So running means it will be reducing the word as a run on this. When I say like better, it will be reducing the word as a good on this. So when I say like studies, it will be reducing the word as a study
Hmm.
based on the pre-trained models. It's clear? So what is the purpose? That is the main things. What purpose we have to be used? So what purpose we are using here, which help to group the different word form to understand one meaning. So that is the main purpose we are using these limitations. Apart from that, I want to make my text analysis is more accurate by treating like run, running, and ran as the same concept. So we need this limitation concepts because limitation is very useful for search engine, chart boosts, and sentiment. Every company they are using. So when I say like Google is using their own tools. So Google is using. Google like your search engine. Okay, when while processing the search query and translation. So what purpose we are using Google? Mainly for while processing the search query and translation purpose. Example like if I searching running shoes, it also find the result is run shoes. Yes. So normally we are typing the running the shoes, but result it will be find the run shoes. So, what is the main reason here we are using this limitation to improve our search accuracy by grouping the word of variation purpose? Google is using. Amazon is using this. They're using their own tool here. I'm talking about Amazon's. Amazon, what purpose they're using for product review and chatbot purpose? Because if the customer review analysis and chatbot can be response, what purpose we are using here? The customer can be review the analysis and the chatbot response purpose. For example, uh, when I say here, we can say like studies or studying. For example, I'm just writing studies and studying, okay, and studies. But all will be treated as a study only. Okay, so all will be treated as a study only. So what is the main purpose here they are using? It really helpful for the sentiment analysis for intent detection purpose. Okay, that is the main reason they are using this limitation part. Apart from that, Microsoft is using the Copilot and Office AI. I'm talking about Microsoft also using. Every company using, like Microsoft Copilot is there and Office AI. So what purpose we are using here? When we will use here, when our document summarization and grammar correction and the team chart analysis purpose we have to be used. Like just now I told you, like ran, running, runs. There's a no normalize. It's normalized to the run only. That's correct. So the main reason we have to be make our text analytics and summarization should be more accurate purpose. So we are using this limitization parts. Correct.
Okay,
Now
sir.
here, yes, yes.
So
Question
it
is
says
there.
that always we'll be considering the base word of the particular
Yes,
whatever like
yes,
we're
yes, yes,
describing.
yes. Correct, correct,
Okay, sir. Got it.
correct. Because always is uh, important for the base form or dictionary forms.
Okay, sir. Got it. Thank you.
Yeah. So we will see how to use this practical concepts. So here we can be use the our open library we have here, okay, which uh, we have already discussed. We have one library here. Is correct because few concert we have the option we have to use free libraries and few things we don't have to be work on. Here I'm using for import spaces. Okay, already we did previously also one program. I'm using this import spacey libraries. Yes, and already we did before also this. I'm using this NLP equal to spacey dot load. So I want to be load this pre-trained model. This is some grammars. So Ian maybe code. Okay, let's will try. It's working or not. Verb. Yes, this is the pre-trained models. Now, using this pre-trained model, we want to use this lemmatization parts. Okay, so I just written here. I will use doc equal to. We are using this NLP methods, and I'm passing one small text inside. The children are running faster. We'll see now what this pre-trained model will be giving the solutions. Is correct. Now I'm using one for loop for uh, token in DOC. So first we have to travel the first word assigned to this variable, and just you have to be print the text and the token lemmas. Okay, this is the predefined. So we have to use print and we have to print the token text, whatever the text we have, the text we want to be print, and I've just taken this comma and this token lemma we want to be print. We have one inbuilt lemmas. Okay, this part because we want to be use this lemma to be correct these ones. Okay, we'll see. These are the text. Maybe T will be changed. Children's are running. It make the proper formal also. Let's will check what this pre-trained model it's supposed to be checked. Yes. Yes. I think it's making this should be the okay. Children should be child. Ours should be B. Running should be run, and faster should be fast only. Okay. So that is only we did here. It's a base. Okay, like what we did. Running should be run. Study means study. So based on this library, based on this pre-trained model, we got the proper base here. Okay, so I'll forward for this. Very small concept. It's not like very big concept here. This is just part of NLP. We are learning all the things. Is clear, and I'll forward to this.
Okay, sir.
Okay, fine. So this is one thing. Okay, and okay, all same concept. Next, we are talking about streamings. Streaming is similar. There's nothing is a different. Streaming also similar to the limitization on this. Okay. Okay. So streaming is what? Same things. This is the process of chopping of word ending and reduce them to their root forms. It's clear. Streaming is what? It's a process of chopping of the word ending to reduce them to their root form. Not always like a real dictionary words. Okay, I'm not saying it's not always the real dictionary words. That is the definition of streaming. Okay, again I'll repeat. Streaming is the process of chopping off the word ending to reduce them to their root forms. So what exactly I want to be saying? There is no always real dictionary words. Similar, what we did here, limitization is also similar to that, the streamings. So here also, when I say example like playing means, it will be come as a play similar to that, and studies means maybe it will be come like sometime study. If I say happiness, maybe it will be print happy. Depend the pre-trained models. It's clear. So what is main purpose? Okay, just now we discussed there. The main purpose here to make our text analysis is faster by reducing the word to the common base. It's clear. We want to make our text analysis should be faster by reducing the word in the common base. That is the main purpose. We are talking about the streaming part. Apart from that, the group of the similar word together, the algorithm don't get confused. Okay, we have few algorithm will not get confused when we have the group of the similar word together. Okay, that is the main purpose we have to use. Apart from that, the main use here, our exact grammar is not a important here. Okay, our exact grammar, it's not important. It's fine. So normally, every company using here, of course, I told you Google is using. Okay, Google is using for processing and search queries. Example, they are searching the connects. Also, they want to find the result for connection or connected. That's correct. So they are searching connects. Also find the result for connection or connected. The purpose is what? They want to improve their search coverage by matching the related word forms. Google is using. Every e-commerce using Amazon. I'm just repeating the same things. The Amazon main purpose I told you right now, like the product review and searching purpose. Okay, they want to be search the products and they want to review the analysis. So the main purpose we are talking about, which is help for the sentiment analysis and ensure that the customer can be find the product even if they type variations. So it will be helpful stemming there also. Is correct. So I'm saying like Microsoft Copilot, Bing search. Now I want to search my document or summarization and my team chart analysis. Any examples? Okay, we want to make our text analytics is faster and more consistent. So that is the main purpose we are using streaming. Similar to that, here also I will use the same concept, the same library I had to use. Yes, is correct. So okay, here also I have to use the same concept. stemming part. Yes, I'll explain. It's correct.
Sir, so
So
the difference between the lemmatization and the stemming is in the lemmatization we do use the synonym words, but in stemming
yes,
only we'll use the root one.
yes, yes, exactly. It's correct.
Okay,
Correct.
sir.
Yeah.
Okay, got it.
So here also we have a few library because some restriction purpose I'm not using all the libraries here, which is we are using here. Most of the time the free library will not be works. Okay, that is the main issue when we go for the online classes. Okay, fine. We'll use one library here from NLTK Natural Language Toolkit dot steam. I think we have. Okay, and import. mm, we have one library here, Porter Streamers. Okay, because first I want to import the port streamer class from the NLTKs. Okay, the port streamer is one of the most common streaming algorithm. This is the algorithms. Why we are using this algorithm to reduce the word to a common base so the computer treat them as the same concept. We want to make our text analysis should be faster and seamless. Why we are using this port streamer? It's useful when the exact grammar is not important, but it's grouping the similar word purpose we want to use. Okay, this is the uh, main purpose algorithm we have, but we did not mention the algorithm here. It's fine. So this is step number one. Now my step number two is what I want to create one streamer object because the object will be used to apply for the streaming on the words. That is the main reason I declare one variable streamers and I will use uh, sorry I have to use this port streamers and this is just I create one streamer object. Now this object will be used to apply for the streaming on the words. That is the main reason. So again, what I'm doing here, I have to use. I want to prepare one sample list of the word. Here also I'm doing manually again. I have to give back. Here also I want to prepare one sample list of the word, and this word have the different ending like verbal form and plural, etc. That's correct. So I'm just using the words, and I'm just writing here. For example, uh, playing, or I had to write mm, played. Okay, so I can be right here place, then we can be right here happiness, and I have to write here studies, something I have written here. Okay, so just I want to prepare one sample list of the word. Now this word have the different ending like verbal form or plural and etc, something we have written. Now I want to use one loop concepts. So what I'm using here for W in words, what we have written. Yes. Now I want to be loop through each word in the list. So I want to loop through each word in the list. So now what I want to do, I want to apply one streaming. Very simple. I will first print, then I'll tell you what exactly it is. So W, I have to write equal. Okay, and I'm using for here streamers. Yeah, this one streamers dot stream and of W's. Okay. Now what I did here, I just applied this streaming using this streamer dot stream on this. Why? Because they want to reduce the word to the root form. Not always in the dictionary word. We want to reduce the word to the root form. Like example I told already, like happiness means happy, studies means studies. That is the main reason. We'll see that. Okay. If you want, we can give some other word also. We can begin. We'll see how this library will be work right now. Yes, I think it's working. Playing means it's showing play. Played means play. Plays means play. Happiness means happy. Steady means steady. It's working. The streaming is working here. It's correct. So fine. Any question, Impna, you have? Okay, we'll do this much today, and tomorrow we'll try to be safe for all these topics. Okay,
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
and then Monday again we will continue. We'll try to finish, and next week two more classes will finish all the topics what they have mentioned in the curriculum, and then we'll go for the project. I arrange three, four professors who are working in AI/ML concepts. That's correct. They will also connect for your presentation, and we will take feedback to those professors on this. Okay, fine,
Okay, sir.
fine.
Sir, sorry, sir. Sir,
Continue.
you said that 30th would be the last day to submit the project, right? So on that day itself, we have to like submit our slides along with our GitHub link.
No, just I need if you're completed one, just one thumb impression, like we completed like this, and
Okay,
I
sir.
need only your like. Mm, okay, no problem. Just for completion I need like how many students are completed so that we can be arrange few professors so that they will connect like Monday. Okay, so Monday I'm given, Friday 2 dates I'm given, and we'll try to be conclude these 2 dates. Yeah, no need
Okay,
to
sir.
send, just I will send my email ID. My email ID you can be forward your PPT what you have done. Okay,
Okay,
your
sir.
paper is enough to me. No PPT also not required.
Okay, sir. So, like, do we need to like write a paper and submit it?
Yes, 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 yes.
Oh, okay, sir. Also, initially I
Like
thought that
abstract. What is your project abstract? What is the problem statements? And what are the tools we are using? Okay.
okay, the
So I
project
need
report. Yeah.
the project reviews. Just I am expecting the project review should be forward to my email ID. Uh,
Okay,
yeah,
sir. Got
I'll.
it.
Yes, yes, yes. Yeah, fine. Fine,
Oh,
Emma. We'll see tomorrow's class.
okay,
Okay.
sir. Thank you, sir. Have a good day.
Yes, yes, yes. Madam.